we keep things beautiful and fresh? Just freeze them! Are you bored? Check out our channel, Woohoo! Subscribe and enjoy awesome tricks and hilarious pranks. Follow the link in the description. Welcome to our speed eating challenge! Ben eats a lot anyway. So he wins all the time. But Rosie can handle ice spheres faster than Ben. Pour water into silicone half-sphere molds. Let them freeze. Wait for it to freeze on the outside, but still be liquid on the inside. Take the water out of the half spheres using a syringe. Dilute sugar with water and add food coloring. Fill syringes with the colored water and pour it into the half spheres. One bite and the colored liquid pours onto Rosie. This is so unfair! But Ben delicately drinks the sweet water like a true foodie. He's the winner! This is how foodies spend their evenings. Meet my refined dessert. It's deep-fried ice cream. Place a scoop of ice cream onto foil. Put it into a freezer. Add regular sugar and vanilla sugar to cream cheese. Cover the ice cream scoop with the cream cheese and let it freeze. For the batter, beat 1 egg with a tablespoon of flour. Dip the ball into the batter and freeze it again. Crush some corn flakes. Dip the ball into the batter again and cover it with crushed corn flakes. Freeze it another time. Deep fry the ball in vegetable oil until it's golden. Flip it a few times. Cover the dessert with chocolate sauce. Oh, how delicious! It's hot outside and cold inside. Ben, do you want a piece? Sure! Ben never refuses treats. That was so rude! Well, since you love sweets so much, get ready for my sweet revenge. You love candy? Oh, you'll get candy! This giant Oreo ice cream really wants you to eat it. Take 14 ounces of Oreos and separate the filling. Crumble the cookies in a blender. Microwave 7 ounces of butter. Add it to the crumbs. Mix it well. Put the mass into a silicone mold with a big Oreo pattern. Press it down with a spatula. Let it freeze. Make 2 giant cookies. Put a thick layer of ice cream onto the cookie. Cover it with the other piece. Refrigerate it. Put the ready cookie into a big printed Oreo wrapper. My dream came true! This huge Oreo ice cream is just for me! Let's start! It's divine! Oh, help me! It looks like I ate too much! Oh no, brother! You can't leave the table until you finish the entire Oreo! Your greed backfired! Fresh flowers wilt so quickly! But I can make this rose last longer! Hot glue a rose to a plastic lid of a container. Pour water into the container and put in the rose. Freeze the rose for 12 hours. A frozen rose is a nice decoration for my vanity table because true beauty doesn't wilt. Our friend is back from his trip to Japan. Where is he? We even have a treat for him. An apple? You call that a treat? Look what I got! These are exquisite Japanese sweets called mochi. Mix 11 ounces of rice flour with 3½ ounces of powdered sugar. Add 14 ounces of water. Stir it well and cover it with plastic wrap. Cook the mixture in a microwave for 2½ minutes. Divide the ready dough into 3 parts and add different food coloring. Let's cook the filling. Finely chop dried fruits. Crush hazelnuts and raisins in a blender. Sprinkle a mat with cornstarch. Roll the dough into a thin layer. Cut out a circle. Roll the nut filling into a ball. And wrap it with the dough. Put pistachio ice cream into another dough circle. For the third filling, mix vanilla ice cream with dried fruit. Roll up the mochi. Oh, how amazing! Let's eat them up. Calm down. There's no need to hurry. Aha! This is exquisite! Ugh! You are so uncivilized! Show us something else from your trip. Here you go. I have a shard of sweet glass. Melt Isomalt in a microwave. Pour the melted Isomalt onto a non-stick mat. Spread it over evenly and shape a square piece with a spatula. Take the hardened square off the mat. Now I'll use the ancient technique called hit and chew. Break the glass and put the pieces into your mouth. Try it! This is very tasty and perfectly safe because my glass is actually sweet and edible. It's been a long time since I last pranked Rosie. She can't keep her hands to herself when she sees my treats. I'll make a frozen lollipop for her. Put different fruit and berries into a cake pop mold. Add water and put in straws. Freeze it. Cover the icy candies with colored wrappers and add Chupa-Chups Labels. I'll go get my tea. What is he hiding in here? Let's see. I love giant Chupa-Chups. Hey, what's with all this ice? Where's the candy? Rosie, you are so gullible. This is frozen fruit for my iced tea. My beautiful ice castle. This is a masterpiece. Add food coloring to different flavors of yogurt. Take 1 yogurt as a base. Pour it into a sandcastle mold as the first layer. Take the needle off a syringe and fill it with colored yogurt. Squeeze it into the white layer, interchanging the colors. Put the castle into a freezer. Make a few pieces like this. Put a building together out of the yogurt pieces. What do we have here? Oh, this castle is yummy! I'd love to have a piece of it. Wow, now that's a lot of bifidobacteria. Stop! Don't eat it! But the boys can't resist. Piece after piece, and they ate all the towers. And Rosie ate the central part. The ice castle has fallen. Meditating helps you relax on a hot day. And meanwhile, an icy fruit bowl cools my grapes. Now that's harmony. Cut stems off flowers. Put a flower bud onto the bottom of a big bowl. Place a smaller bowl on top of it. Fill the space between the bowls with flowers. Add water and freeze it for 12 hours. Take out the icy bowl. But Ben wants to ruin my fragile state of zen. Let's fill the bowl with hot water. Hey, flowers! I'll free you from this icy trap. Ben, what did you do? You destroyed my icy flower harmony. Did you like our frozen treats? Let us know in the comments which icy recipes you want to make. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new creative recipes from Troom.